Hello guys, welcome back to another Nadsplus TV video, and thank you so much for being patient with me as well while my uploading schedule has been all over the place. But let me hit you with a surprise video. The new collection from Little Kim has just arrived, and yes, they come in plus sizes, and I'm going to be talking about the fitting, what you're going to get for your money. So remember, if you're new here, hello, subscribe for new videos, and you can always check me out on social media. Now I'm on TikTok now and Instagram, so I'm going to leave the handles up there. I bought this in a size 24. This is the PV, the classic PVC pretty little thing that you guys get. So taking it out of the packet, it has got a bit of an odor on it. Zip at the sides, no zips at the back, so you have to still put your head through. It is a little bit difficult, but I'm very much used to getting these sort of types of dresses on. Now I added a belt on for this, so let me show you what it's like without a belt. It's pretty much like this, but it was a bit plain and just adds a bit of pop to the dress. I'm also wearing a brassy bra as well, just to make sure that you can wear this confidently without no bra troubles. This is the back, and yes, it is a little short. Black heels currently. If I have an image for this, I'm gonna add it here so that you can see my full look. The zip was a bit of a trouble getting on from the sides, but we have true to size here. It just popped off in front of my very eyes. You know when you're putting something, I mean, this is what you got as the shoulders, okay? I've just, you know when you're putting something up, one through the arm, one full pop. That's it. Full jumpsuit. This is what the back looks like as well. Obviously I got a belt on for it, so let me take off the belt. I'm gutted. Look how big it is. It's not a sizing issue. Why is it popping off? There's still like a lot of material up here. There's a lot of mesh to play with, and sometimes you may be outside thinking, oh crap, I've got a lot of material here, let me pull it down. And when we put it down, you start showing your This is my size, you guys. This is a size 24. The pros about this dress is I love the shoulder pads on them. They're so cute. This was an overhead, so this was wide enough for you to put your head in. The arms are pretty little thing arms. There's a bit of ruching in this dress. It's a great length too, above my kneecaps. I didn't see that. Hell, this is definitely Little Kim's collection. Now the back, I don't know, I'll probably do this in my own backyard. How is this going to work? I love this set. So I chose to get this when I saw Leslie on her Instagram. She was wearing a bodysuit, but I wanted to take my chances. I know this was quite high-legged. Even so, not even high-legged, but it was like that. This is coming out. So let's just show you an example. This is the bit that clasps underneath. So that's gonna go underneath there. You're still gonna have a lot of gap here. So that's something to consider. But when you get the pants and you put it on together, you hardly notice a thing. For me, because I'm a tall person, I'm gonna find it difficult to close it. This is so appealing. Now the trousers, they are meshy, but once you've closed the bodysuit, you're not going to see your underwear, etc. Now this is the back. Now obviously you can see this stuff at the back. I'm wearing underwear as well, just so that it doesn't look bad. This is my favorite thing. It has to be this shape cut at the front. It's not that stretchy, but I've got a size 22 on the top. Good amount of room on the waist. To the floor, it's good because it's not spacey. It just cuffs the leg in the right place. I'm going to insert a clip of the full shot of this. I know that some people are going to be quite off, especially with the chest area and the whole length part here. This is my final piece, and after removing my bra, I love this, guys. I think this is really pretty. Enough booby space for me. You know that we usually find difficulty in securing the areas of the tartars. In here we have a bodysuit. You step into the bodysuit, you've got a zip here on the side as well. Great for dinner. I am a bit scared of the straps because the straps are literally string, just one string, and I'm scared that it might pop off. This is the back. Obviously you can see the bodysuit underneath there as well. I would recommend dating out with this. It's so cute. The sizing is on point. I'm in a size 22 and it's perfect. Usually people are quite self-conscious about this area, but it looks great. Let's go to a quick verdict. The styles are great. They're very much Little Kim, in the sense that you've got some revealing parts. You've got your shems, your meshes there, the cutouts, the bit of sass and sexiness that she always brings. But for me and plus size section, I think that some of the stuff were a bit too tight. I was a bit disappointed in these string things. I don't know if they're secure for me, and the fact that you can't adjust them is another thing. So that is a bit of a worry for me. So guys, I will recommend that the favorite pieces that you really want to get, check out other influencers, your body type as well, how they look in it, and that's going to give you a bit of an insight, right? So for me, the bodysuit is a bit short for me, so if you are my height with the torso, I would avoid skipping or just grabbing the trousers. For the jumpsuit, you have to be very careful. It's similar to this string here, but if you're too, I was like this and then it just popped, which I don't think I was heavy-handed, but it shouldn't really pop by you putting your arms through. So I'm gonna send that back as faulty. For my video today, I hope you guys have enjoyed and now seen a video of mine. If you like the video, please thumbs up, share and subscribe. Make sure your notification bells switch on as well so you can come back to another video of mine. Bye.